Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to get QR code for your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get QR code for Microsoft Authenticator, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening your browser, you just simply have to open the site of account.microsoft.com. And now after opening this site, you will get to see this security option into left side. Just simply tap into that security option, and from here you will get so many options. You just simply have to tap into this manage how I sign in option. And now after coming into this section, you will get to see this add a new way to sign in or verify option. Tap into that and then choose this use an app option. Then after that, tap into set up a different authenticator app, and then you will get to see this QR code into here. This way you can easily get QR code for your Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.